Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to connect the Judge.me app to your Shopify. Are you looking for an easy guide on how to connect Judge.me and Shopify? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, first thing you need to do is log into your Shopify account. On the homepage of your account, click on Apps. Then, click on Recommended Apps. A pop-up will appear. Click on the bottom of the pop-up named Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, search bar, type in Judge.me. Click on the first result. This app is pretty good for stores because it shows you reviews for a bunch of different apps and products. Now, what you need to do is click on Add App. On the top right-hand side of the page, click on Install App. Click on Next, which will prompt you to install a few widgets that's needed for the app to run smoothly. The installation process is straightforward. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.